right, we're ready to go. This is gonna be the challenging part, all right? But I know you can handle it. We wanna cut it in a rounding slice as such, from the top to the bottom. Of course, it's always important to have a sharp knife.
Yeah. Well, of course, being an electrical engineer, I stripped a lot of wire. So,
Oh, that explains it.
and the mint?
Mint, is you already chopped that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Way ahead of me here.
Way to go, Emerald! Perfect, beautiful.
Ah, that looks great.
Yeah.
Looks great. Yummy.
All right.
Now put some in a container and send some back to me. All right. Well, now we'll work on the eggplant. We'll do that one next. You're gonna love the taste of this dish, John.
Oh, the best.
You already made it.
Oh, you already made this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fabulous.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. I love that dish.
Eddie,
I'll make it at
me
home.
too. Sally, no.
The top one is the first one.
There you go.
So you want your honey,
Ooh.
Yeah.
your soy sauce, your lemon.
Like that?
Yep, perfect.
Oh, I want that.
And now the fun part, you get to eat it.
Mm. Oh, there they are.
You know, all the years we've been together, it's, you love to participate. You're a great supporter of ours, but you also give us good challenges.
Well, we've got a good operation, Mike, and it's a pleasure being on the board.